So today we had a possibility of rain, 75% chance, so no work today being done. Put all the cars back on the driveway. Some of the cars aren't here. Getting some work done on the LS Sienna van. Evo. Let's check out the GR Corolla. Do a cold start. 3944. All right, let's try it out. One thing I did notice on cold starts, the RPM doesn't sweep. I think it's just a lag on the computer, the memory. I don't like the fact there's only one knob on this. There's a bunch of software issues. Be careful with the vehicle transmission is on. That's the safety connect up here. It's a really annoying. It's like a little monitor system. I turned it off. 6-speed manual. Pull up. Let's go in reverse. Heated seats. Wireless charging. This update is complete, and then it says please insert. That's annoying too. No one at Toyota could help me out or figure that out, so I'm on my own on that. Heated steering wheel. It's the IMT for the rev matching when you downshift. Kind of go through the different gauges that avoid excessive acceleration. That shows up every single time. So here's the settings you can change, the screens. There's a boost setting too. Let's see if I can find it. Settings. Meter settings, there we go. Click and hold. Put the rev indicator, rev setting. So I have it pretty modest at 6. I feel like that's a good start to tell me when to shift. It'll show up as orange, then red. Change the display units, pop-up display, all that stuff on here. Trip B items. Here, let's take a look. Vehicle settings, brake suggestion, tire pressure, rear seat alert. Rear seat alert is RSA, so if you have kids, it'll always tell you to check the back seat. So if I want to change settings, I can do that. I can scroll through this left and right. I can also go all the way here. Do tire pressures. And then the boost gauge. So let's say I want to do boost there. And here, I want to keep an eye on my drive info, or let's say, what else? The one thing I don't like is I can't put tire pressure on this side, which is weird. I don't know. So you just do that, I guess. Change the layout here, what you want. Messages. That's the one message that shows up, so you can see that. I can continue to change settings whatever I want. So I go into sport right here. Changes the gauge cluster. The cool thing is, so to completely disable the traction or the driver assist. So you press this, it'll show as expert mode and all the assistance off. But if I click and hold it for about 4 seconds, it'll turn expert off right there, and then it gives you like the full capabilities of the car to really have fun and do things. Really nice car. I had a lot of fun with it. Interior doesn't really make you feel special, unfortunately. They did okay with the seats. I actually like these seats better than the leather, or the fake leather. Not too much room in the rear. Took me some getting used to this button for the trunk, because this is to lock it, this is to open the trunk. It's weird. Some room back here, not much, but there is some room.